Hello, hello, hello to everyone out there. All of my Facebook Live family, my YouTube family. Thanks so much for tuning in. And please let me know where you're tuning in from. If you're watching this later on this evening, because it is a little late, or tomorrow, hashtag replay for me. Hey, Steven. What I'm going to do, guys, is open up some envelopes I got in the mail. I am back home for my long journey back from Jamaica. I'm glad to be back, even though it's cold. It's nothing like home. Hey, Tracy. Hey, Barry. Everybody, if you can let me know where you're tuning in from. Hey, Mona. So, guys, I'm home and I'm ready to do this. I know people are wondering, ready to do what? So, I'm ready to take my business to the next level, and I'm bringing a lot of people with me. I spent 2.5 months putting together this membership site, customized products that are here. I opened up about 15 boxes today of information that I ordered, and I'm extremely pleased with. That's going to allow people to start earning consistently with direct mail. A lot of people start out with direct mail because they may have problems with recruiting online, and they decided, you know what, I want to start doing this offline, but they just don't know exactly what to do, and maybe the things that they're doing don't work. So what I'm going to do is open up some of these envelopes, and then we're going to discuss what works and what doesn't work, and how long you really need in order to make this an effective, consistent journey, make it a full-time business. So that's really important. Hey, Felicia. Hey, Christopher. Thanks so much for tuning in. So I have an envelope here, and this came in from Florida. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. As you guys can see, I kind of moved my desk around. I had envisioned in my mind that I wanted a different look for the way I was actually sitting. It was a little bit uncomfortable here in my office, the way that I had it set up. So I kind of rearranged and moved things around, and it's coming together. I did a little bit today because I was traveling most of the morning and afternoon, but I'm loving the way that it's coming out, and I'm just keep working on it until I kind of perfect it. When you work from home and you're in your space, home space most of the day, you just want it to be as comfortable as possible. So that's what I'm doing. So we have June, who came in. June from Florida joined with someone else that's on my team, came in at the Emerald level. I received a $20 payment and 1 book of stamps. Thanks so much, June. Glad to have you a part of the team. We have another payment that came in from Ricky from Texas. We're going to go ahead and open this up. Ricky from Texas. Okay, what we have here. So Ricky came in at the Sapphire level, and Ricky joined someone else on my team. He did not join me directly, and I received a $100 money order and 2 books of stamps. So I have 2 books of stamps that's going to go towards my mailings. What I love about this opportunity is that when you get the payments, you also get the stamps. So it really helps with spending a ton of money on stamps because they come with your payments. And then we have Maria from California. Here's another envelope here. I'm gonna open this up. Hey, Michelle, thanks for tuning in. Happy New Year. Hey, Frank. Hey, Mike, thanks for tuning in. Hey, Kevin, thanks for tuning in. And Maria also joined someone on my team. She came in at the Emerald level. She did not join me directly. I have a $20 payment and 1 book of stamps. Okay, then yeah. Hey, Letissa. Thanks for tuning in. Guys, let me know where you're tuning in from. So Ramona joined someone else on my team, and she came in at the Emerald level. That's another $20 payment and 1 book of stamps. Guys, these payments start to add up over time. If you get enough packages in the mail, you can have a nice chunk of money coming in. We're going to add this all up once I finish opening these up. Robert from Idaho. Here's another package. Robert from Idaho. Let's see what he has here. He sent it in another envelope. Kevin from Michigan. Hey, Mike Jones. How you been? Okay, so Robert, I have your payment. Robert came in at the emerald level. And here we have a $65 payment and 1 book of stamps. Thanks so much, Robert. Make sure if I call your name that you get back with your sponsor or myself to get your website and your cover letter. Here we have a payment from Sheila from PA. Just gonna open this up. And you know what I love about this? I've been in Jamaica for 3 weeks. I didn't do much promoting. I was really trying to just enjoy myself. I'm still scratching mosquito bites from the vacation. But that's what I love about this opportunity, because even though I didn't do much promoting in the 3 weeks that I was on vacation, the money still keeps rolling in, and that's what you want. You want it to get to a point where you can take a break and you still have money coming in. You know, that's really important. And I received nice cards, season greetings, really nice. Thank you so much, Sheila. And she says, this is a season for sharing good times with family and friends and for making a kind of memories to treasure without end. Have a great holiday. Excited to be a part of the team. Really nice. Thank you so much. And she came in at the the sapphire level, and that's 2 books of stamps and $100. And she also joined someone else on my team. And we have Linda, last but not least, from Georgia. Linda from Georgia. And she sent it in this envelope here. Let's see what we have here. Hey, Linda. Hey, Dana. So she also joined someone else on my team, Linda from Georgia. Here's a $100 payment and 2 books of stamps. Thanks so much, Linda. Glad to have you a part of the team. Okay, and so we're going to count up and see what we have. And again, guys, I get excited about these stamps because it's nothing like having stamps for your mailings and really reducing the amount that you have to pay for mailings, you know. They really start to add up. Not in the beginning, but over time, you can have 100 to 200, even 300 stamps in the matter of weeks. And that's a really good thing. So here we have 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, $400, $425 in payments that came in. And I have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 books of stamps. So again, guys, this is one of those programs where you can get just stamps in the mail, also payments. They have a promotion going on right now for Double Diamond, which is going to allow people to get $2,000 payouts. They have a special right now where if you come in as a diamond member, you automatically get upgraded to the Double Diamond level. Okay, so therefore you'll be able to collect payments on all levels and stamps on all levels. Okay, so that's going on from now up until the 17th of January. So guys, if you want to get in, the description will have the information for Impact Mailing Club, how to get started, and also how to reach out to me if you have any questions. So what I tell people all the time is, I know when you get started, you're extremely excited about the opportunity. You're excited about what's out there and how much you can make. And you see a lot of other people as having a lot of success with direct mail. But I always tell people it's really important to not just jump in it and do anything and everything, but to have a strategic game plan. And I think that's where a lot of people mess up. Don't have a website, don't have a capture page. They don't have a domain on their cover letter. The cover letter is not branded to them. These are things that's important when you get started with direct mail, because people connect with people, and you want a person to connect with you and not the company that you're with. At any point, anything can happen with the company, you know, and then now you have all of this information out, and there's no way for people to know if you're a real person, if you're an authentic person, if they can get to know, like, and trust you. So it's really important to make sure that when you start this business, you strategically plan things out. And that's one of the reasons why I came up with my direct mail solution, which is going to launch next week, because with all the customized products you're going to receive in the mail, along with the step-by-step training, blueprint, and calendar, along with the weekly webinars that we're going to be having, there's no way that you can go wrong. You're going to know how to do everything that you need to do step by step and implement different strategies that fit your budget and your time. So I think that's really important as well, because people need to have something that works for them based off of their how much they can afford and how much time they have. You know, that's all important. So we're going to go through that for all of the members of my direct mail solution, which again will be launching next week. So stay tuned for the link. But I just want to say thanks for tuning in to everyone that's here. Hey, Sam, where you been, buddy? Hey, Monica. Hey, Miss A. Hey, Mike. So yeah, thanks so much for tuning in, guys. I'm glad to be back. We have a lot of things that's going on over the next couple of weeks. There's so much that can be accomplished this year. You have to just really be dedicated to what it is that you're going to do. You have to be consistent. You have to have a game plan, and you have to apply what you learn. So I'm not going to go ahead and preach tonight. I just wanted to leave you guys with that. But thanks so much for tuning in. Have a great night, and I'll see you guys back sometime next week. Good night, guys.